Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to export your video on the Filmmaker Pro application. But first of all, I just want to mention, please don't forget to subscribe to our channel, because at 100,000 subscribers we are going to show you our YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. So let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your device. So, just open a video or create a new project. And if you finish with the editing section, you want to export your video. Just go to the left side of the screen and you can find the left bar. Click to the third icon, the download icon, click that, and here you can set the resolution of the video, you can set the quality, and if you select the perfect match, you can click to the export button and you can download your video. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.